I want to do a quick review of one of our favorite air fryers. This is going to be a 2-year review. We've had this for quite some time, which is really cool. A family of 4, and this has stood the test of time. We use it, gosh, almost daily, sometimes multiple times a day. With our children being home, especially being homeschooled, they're doing lunches in here. We obviously do dinners. In fact, we even did breakfast in here from warming some things up. It has 12 presets for your most popular meals, which make it really nice. So you guys can read about that. It's also a great design, I feel like. Really slim, even though you can fit so much into this 8-quart size. They just did a really good job with it. One of the features I look for, though, in an air fryer that I don't hear a lot of people talk about is the actual inside tray, the cooking unit. So a lot of other models that I do not like, you will have holes on the side here, and it's for airflow. I'm sure there's a reason for it. Problem with that, it's great for cooking, is it's awful for cleanup. I'm looking for a solid one-piece design inside of the bucket, the tray. And the reason is it makes cleanup so easy. So when we're done cooking, what I will do is I will fill this with water to, I don't know, about a 1/2 inch above the bottom grate where the food goes. And then I'll put a little bit of dish detergent in there of your favorite soap to clean pots and pans. And then I'll put it back in the air fry at, I don't know, 475. It doesn't really matter the temp, but the higher the better, for about 5 minutes. And then once that beeps, I will take it over to the sink and I will dump it out. Most of the time it comes out clean just from that with no scrubbing or anything else. Depending on what you cooked, if you had some stubborn stains or something, I'll give it a quick, I'm talking 5 to 10 second little wipe with your favorite cleaning brush, and that is it. But you can only do that with a design that does not have those holes around the side, so I highly recommend. Also, the cooking surface or area in there, they just nailed it with this sleek, compact design. You still have so much room, like I said, for us to feed a family of 4 with no issues. If you're in the market for a new air fryer, highly recommend. I know you and your family will love this one as well.